Ever dreamt of growing your own garlic but lack the garden space? Let's dive into choosing the right containers. The best pots for growing garlic strike a balance in size, material, and drainage. With the right container, you're already halfway to a successful garlic harvest. Next, dive into the diverse world of garlic varieties. From the mellow, versatile softnecks to the robust, winter-hardy hardnecks, each variety offers unique flavors and growth habits. Consider your culinary desires and climate when selecting. Remember, the garlic variety you choose can significantly influence your final harvest. Now, let's turn our attention to watering, a crucial aspect of garlic cultivation. The secret lies in striking a balance. Water enough to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to bulb rot, while underwatering can stunt growth. Maintaining the right moisture balance is key to cultivating healthy, robust garlic plants. Sunlight and placement play a pivotal role in the growth of your garlic plants. Garlic loves full sun, so position your pots where they'll receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. A sunny patio or balcony is ideal. With the right sunlight and placement, your garlic plants will thrive. It's time to get your hands dirty with the potting mix and planting process. Begin by filling your selected pot halfway with a well-draining potting mix. Nestle the garlic bulbs, pointy end up, into the soil. Cover with additional mix until just the tips show. With your garlic bulbs planted, the journey towards a bountiful harvest begins. Caring for your garlic plants is crucial to ensure a successful harvest. Essential maintenance practices include timely fertilizing, using organic compost or slow-release granules. Additionally, keep an eye out for pests, employing organic methods to ward them off. With proper care, your garlic plants will remain healthy and vibrant, leading to a successful harvest. The moment of truth, it's time to harvest your homegrown garlic bulbs. Look out for the lower leaves turning brown. That's your cue. Carefully unearth those aromatic gems and let them dry a few days. Enjoy the unbeatable taste of freshly grown garlic, right from your own pots. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of growing garlic in pots. From choosing the right containers, selecting garlic varieties, watering, sunlight placement, potting, care routines, to harvesting your bounty, it's been quite a journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more gardening insights and container growing tips.